Since Blackview launched Tab 8, which provides to be one of the best sellers, now they will launch their latest Blackview Tab 13 too, coming with innovative upgrades, but this time much bigger and more exciting. Blackview Tab 13 will bear 10.1-inch FHD Plus screen panel, which they claim to be the first ever Tab Rylent low blue light certified display among all Blackview devices. Tab 13 can protect its users against the harmful blue bright light and reduce eye strain in the effective way. This tablet houses a humongous 7280 mAh battery, allow more than 13 hours of between charges for moderate users. As for the memory, Tab 13 offers 128GB ROM and up to 1TB expandable support. We also have here memory expansion technology to expand its 6GB RAM further to 10GB. According to OS designer from Blackview, Tab 13 is providing the new PC-style interaction. It should come with the use of PC mode, which allows users to open multiple app windows at the same time. With the latest upgrades to docOS P 3.0 and Android 12, Tab 13 will probably witness better UI fluency. Tab 13 is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 and shipped with a dual Smart PA support box speakers. For optic, the Tab 13 is expected to house a 8MP Samsung front camera and up to 30MP plus 0.3MP rear cameras, coming with aluminum alloy back panel and flat-red frame, and only with 7.7mm ultra slim and 450 grams, maximizing portability to the fullest. Among all the great advantages of the Tab 13, what surprised us most is naturally its lower than average pricing point. The world premiere of the Blackview Tab 13 will start today. Final price for Tab 13 is $130.99, but you can get it cheaper with $20 with a coupon. $9 it's a full discount, and with the promo code below the video you can get a $16 discount code. Tab 13 is also available in additional packages such as TVS headphones and Bluetooth keyboards. The official sales links is below this video, be sure to click on them. Now is your chance to grab your new Tab 13 today. That will be all for now, see you soon in the next video, bye.